Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a fascinating concept that's absolutely changing the game for creators, students, and professionals alike. We're talking about the Golden Loop AI system, specifically how NotebookLM and Gemini Gems work together. If you're a focused learner looking for a highly structured, step-by-step breakdown of how to literally supercharge your workflow and build an unstoppable content engine, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to unpack exactly how this system works and, more importantly, how you can apply it right away.
Okay, let's dive right into this. What if you could turn your raw, messy research into high-quality content almost instantly? I mean, it sounds like the absolute dream, right? We all want to create top-tier stuff faster, but usually that just means grinding harder and risking burnout. Well, according to the source material, in 2026, two incredibly powerful tools from Google quietly flipped the script. They introduced a way to actually achieve this dream without just endlessly grinding away at the keyboard.
Which brings us to the core of today's topic, the Golden Loop. Our sources define this as a workflow combining Google's NotebookLM and Gemini Gems that massively boost your productivity by turning that raw research into high-quality outputs. Now, I know it sounds a bit like magic, but it's actually a highly structured, logical system. But here's the catch highlighted in our research. Most people are using it completely wrong. They're missing the foundational architecture that actually makes the whole thing tick.
Section 1. Meet your new AI team. Understanding the two core tools.
And this brilliantly illustrates the dynamic between these two tools. On the left side, we have NotebookLM. Think of this as your thinking tool, your research brain. On the right side, we've got Gemini Gems, which represents the doing tool or the execution engine. Mixing up the thinker and the doer is honestly the main reason people completely break their workflow. You just can't ask the doer to think, and you certainly can't ask the thinker to do. It's like trying to hammer a nail with a screwdriver.
So let's zoom in on NotebookLM first. You really want to treat this as your second brain. You take all your raw, messy materials, we're talking PDFs, articles, YouTube transcripts, those heavy, dense research papers, and you upload them. The tool takes all of that and pumps out structured knowledge, really smart summaries, and deep insights. But here's the absolutely crucial part. It is strictly grounded in those sources. It never just guesses. It doesn't hallucinate facts out of thin air. It stays firmly rooted in the exact documents you feed it, which is what completely dictates the high quality of your foundation.
Now enter Gemini Gems. This is your execution engine. You use this side of the equation to build custom AI assistants to handle highly specific tasks. For instance, you could spin up a YouTube scriptwriter, a catchy title generator, or a content summarizer. Notice the key features here: fixed instructions, a defined personality, and a specific job. You give it the exact parameters, the specific tone of voice, and the precise formatting of what needs to be done, and then it simply executes the heavy lifting for you.
Section 2. Building the Golden Loop, the core workflow.
Let's walk through this system blueprint step by step, because this is where the real magic happens. Step 1 is research with NotebookLM. You upload your content, and this right here is where the quality of your entire system is decided. Step 2 is deploy with Gemini Gems. You connect your notebook to your custom gem, allowing it to understand the context. And this is where the speed comes in. Step 3 is generate content. You use that gem to pump out scripts, titles, or social posts, which is how you get that massive scale. But look really closely at Step 4. This is the truth most people just won't tell you. The real loop requires you. You have to review those outputs, you have to improve your prompts, and you have to add better sources to the notebook. That continuous manual refinement, that's the actual loop.
Section 3, the setup process, making the abstract actionable. Let's move to and see how this builds out practically. Guiding you systematically through the technical setup, it's actually incredibly straightforward once you know the path. Step 1, you prepare your notebook by organizing your uploaded articles and notes cleanly by topic, say tech news or AI models. Step 2, you create a gem in Gemini where you specifically define its role and style. Step 3, you link your NotebookLM directly to that gem so it has that vital research-backed context. But Step 4 is absolutely my favorite part, dynamic sync. Any updates or new PDFs you drop into NotebookLM will automatically reflect in your gem. There's no constant re-uploading required. It literally just gets smarter as you feed it.
Section 4. Real-world AI use cases. Scaling your output.
The sheer scale and versatility of this system is just staggering. Think about these 4 specific applications. Number 1, a YouTube content engine. This is perfect for creators, like so many of you tuning in right now, to get faster uploads with much better quality by storing your research in NotebookLM and deploying a script gem. Number 2, a a company knowledge assistant. You can upload all your standard operating procedures and meeting notes, creating an instant internal AI help desk. Number 3, a deep research system. This turns you into an absolute research powerhouse. And number 4, visual content creation. You can instantly turn complex, dense research into infographics, presentations, and mind maps.
Section 5, the truth about automation. The reality check.
Now, as powerful as this workflow is, we need to slow down for a second, because the source material explicitly highlights some pretty rigid limitations. First up, Gems cannot write back to NotebookLM. The communication is strictly one way. Second, the system only utilizes the data you have actively uploaded. And third, and this is a big one, it is not fully automatic. It absolutely requires manual human curation. Listen, if you go in blindly thinking it's going to do 100% of the work on autopilot, the system will completely fail. It relies strictly on the curated data that you painstakingly provide.
So the crucial point comes down to this classic rule. Garbage in equals garbage out. Human oversight is still the secret ingredient to this entire workflow. Your brain is the necessary filter that decides what goes into NotebookLM, which ultimately dictates the quality of what Gemini Gems spits out on the other side.
Which brings us to this incredibly powerful quote that really summarizes the core philosophy of our explainer today. The golden loop isn't about replacing you, it's about amplifying you. See, NotebookLM builds the deep knowledge, and Gemini rapidly executes the tasks, but you are the architect of the whole thing. Together, the three of you achieve incredible speed, accuracy, and scale.
You see, you're not just creating content anymore. You're building a personalized content machine. So I want to leave you with this final thought to ponder today. How will you build your own content machine? Think about your own workflows, your own research, and exactly where this golden loop system could dramatically amplify your efforts. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Stay curious out there, and I'll see you in the next one.